On the occasion of the birth anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose, the Rabin Mukherjee College is organizing a flag hoisting program to pay floral tributes to him on 23rd January 2022. Today marks the 125th birth anniversary of iconic freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose, popularly known as Netaji. Our central government has decided to start the Republic Day celebrations from 23rd January to include Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose's anniversary, which will be celebrated as Parakram Divas, Day of Valor, starting this year. Valor means the great courage in the face of danger, especially in battle. We, the citizen of India, should follow the path of Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose to take our nation to a higher path. Thank you.